Hello guys, welcome here. So mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng pinakabagong True Wireless Stereo Earbuds or TWS earbuds ng Honor Choice, yung Moecen. Isa ito sa pinakabago at pinaka-affordable na TWS earbuds ngayong taon. So kaka-release lang ito sa Philippines last July 15. So di ko na patatagalin guys, panoorin natin yung full unboxing video ng product na to. Let's watch this. So guys, pagka-open natin ng box is bubungad sa atin yung user manual including yung warranty card natin. Sa ilalim nun is yung charging case natin tsaka yung pair ng earbuds mismo. And then, meron naman sa baba. So, andun yung ating USB cable Type-C. Yung isa guys is yung ear tips natin. So, andyan yung large size at small size na ear tips natin. Kasi yung medium size guys, nakakabit na siya mismo dun sa earbuds. So all in all, 3 pairs siya ng ear tips. So yun guys yung laman ng ating box. So kompleto naman lahat nung nasa package natin. So now, focus tayo dun sa ating charging case tsaka sa ating earbuds. So guys, ito yung complete list ng features ng ating earbuds. So, let's watch this. Alright, so guys, up to 6 hours yung music playback on a single charge ng earbuds natin. And up to 4 hours naman yung call time on a single charge. Naka dual mic noise cancellation na rin siya. So assured na nalilinis na yung background kapag maingay. And then naka Bluetooth 5.0, so gaming experience, very low latency talaga. 24 hours combined playback kasi 3 times ka pwede mag-charge dun sa charging case natin. And then IP54 certified na rin siya, so splash and dust resistance. And then you can use, it's either both or isa lang dun sa earbuds natin. So magagamit mo pa rin siya. And also intuitive touch controls. So sobrang ganda talaga guys nung touch controls niya. So guys, nag-record ako ng sample call gamit yung TWS earbuds natin or yung Moecen. So pakinggan natin guys. So I suggest guys na gamit tayo ng headset para marinig natin yung quality talaga nung record or ng boses ko nung na-record ko yung yung sample call. So yung naririnig nyo guys, galing na to ngayon sa Honor Choice Moecen. So as you can hear, sobrang ganda talaga guys ng quality ng mic. Sobrang rinig na ako ng kausap ko. Sobrang linaw. Sobrang ganda, grabe. Sobrang worth it talaga yung ginayad ko para dito. And sobrang highly recommended talaga guys yung product natin. So guys, narinig nyo yung sample call natin. So, diba guys, sobrang linaw talaga guys ng mic niya. So, sobrang na-amaze lang talaga ako guys kasi sobrang linaw ng mic, sobrang ganda ng quality. Sobrang affordable niya, hindi mo sukat akalain na less than 2,000 pesos lang yung TWS earbuds na to. So, sobrang worth it talaga guys yung binayaran nyo kapag binili nyo yung product na to. So guys, hope this unboxing video and review helps you decide kung gusto talaga ninyong bilhin yung product na to. Para sa akin guys, so sobrang ganda guys ng quality ng product na to. Sobrang na-amaze talaga ako. Di ko sukat akalain na less than 2,000 pesos lang yung item na to. So highly recommended na bilhin. And sulit na sulit guys. So by the way, if you want to buy the product guys, I'll be pasting guys yung site kung saan ko siya binili. Shoutout sa Gadget Hunter PH kung saan ko binili yung product na to kasi guys, sobrang bilis ng delivery ng product. Binili ko siya kahapon around 8 PM and na-deliver na siya the next day. Kasi meron sila guys yung same day delivery for cash on delivery or for COD. So kapag in-order nyo yung product on or before 1 p.m. nung day na yon, so rest assured na same day delivery siya. Pero after 1 p.m. so it will be next day. So since 8 p.m. ko na siya nabili kagabi, so but next day na siya na-deliver, pero sobrang bilis pa rin. Hindi ito paid, pero thank you so much Gadget Hunter PH for the fast delivery ng product ko. So by the way guys, yung amount or yung price ng product natin is 1,599 sa Gadget Hunter PH. And yung same day delivery nila guys is only available lang for Manila area and some part of Cavite and Rizal. So yun, if you want to take advantage, visit their site. I'll be pasting it on the description. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and